Diqing locates in one of the top 100 China's economic development counties, 160 kilometers from the China Financial Center, Shanghai, and 30 kilometers from the G20 summit city, Hangzhou. It takes a unique geographical advantage. In 2015, Zhejiang Long-Term Medical expanded the scale and built up a medical long-term industrial park in China National Huzhou Moganshan High-Tech Development Zone. Dr. Kangping Wu, the founder of Long-Term Medical Industry Park, was a neurosurgeon. He commercialized the medical manufacture mode and built the industrial park into an ecological and garden-like modern park. The quiet and elegant environment and the concept of sustainable development are made to achieve the natural ecology and modern technology, harmony, and unity. As the spirit of the road ahead will be long and our climb will be steep, and target of combination with production, learning, research, and medical care, long-term shoulders the tasks of serving health market and revitalizing of the country. Long-Term Medical Industrial Park has more than 20,000 square meters of clean rooms, first-class production lines, microbiological laboratories, physical testing lab, ethylene oxide sterilization cabinets, and other advanced equipment. The company has 9 production lines: IV care, wound care, skin care, ostomy care, incontinence care, personal care, infection control series, basic disposables, first aid products. Effectively help patients control wound infection, reduce wound pain, and promote granulation organization of growth. Long-Term owns more than 40 national invention patents and has been used in the global market rapidly. Behind the bamboo splitting development, Long-Term used the high-efficient scientific production management mode and safe production. It won the praise from the beneficiary. Enterprises passed the CE, FDA, ISO 13485, and other authoritative certification. In order to support the long-term strategic development goals, Long-Term advocates the combination of working and learning. Focusing on learning, deep research work, established health training center, which includes a complete, efficient medical training policy. It makes each employee to improve his professional skills proficiently and continuously. At the same time, Long-Term works with many famous universities and major institutes, builds up good relationships with the authority of the hospitals for cooperation. Long-Term regularly carries out medical academic discussion, in-depth exchanges with clinicians, the widespread adoption of clinical expert advice, and work together to research and development of innovative products. We increase our brand value academically. Facing at the prosperous global medical market, Long-Term continuously research in cutting-edge technology. In 2013, Long-Term successfully set up R&D Center. In the spirit of scientific exploration, we invest 5% of revenue every year for new product development and innovation. As a result, Long-Term changes global medical dressing market. In 2007, Long-Term Medical was the first company in Asia to develop hydrocolloid dressing successfully. In 2012, Long-Term Medical first launched silicone dressings, became #1 in Asia and #4 in the world. Long-Term always focuses on clinical medicines, clinical products, and clinical services. Long-Term strives for analyzing the advantages and disadvantages of clinical products and utilizing scientific practice to research and develop specific medical supplies and ultimately resolve clinical problems. Line will be far from you. Endless pursuit. Long-Term inherits from history, dedicates for today, and targets for future. Production, learn, research, medical. long term will lead a new era of biomedical industry in China.